gonna trick me off the motherfucking streets. I will fucking beat a bitch ass, and I'll motherfucking go fuck crazy and kill a bitch. Let me tell you something about Tommy, bitch. I really don't give a fuck. You understand what I'm saying? The only thing I got to lose is my mother. Don't touch me, bitch. Don't touch me. You getting on my fucking nerve. For real, in real life, Mary Jane. You come over here with this church shit. You the one brought me motherfucking bottles, bitch. I wasn't even fucking drinking today. I wasn't drinking today, bitch. I never motherfucking wanted to drink today. I dropped because of your ass. You got me a fucking in that shit with fucking Stevie and dumbass, bitch. You got me in that. I don't give a fuck about it being your fault, ho. I'm telling you, dog. I don't beef for this shit. I don't beef for this shit. It's a whole motherfucking new year. I've been to myself this whole motherfucking year. We only 4 days in, my nigga. We 4 days in. We 4 days in, my nigga. I'm not on this.
I come to celebrate with you, like, for your
yeah, we celebrate. Let us motherfucking celebrate. Why the fuck we gotta, now I gotta clear shit up. I gotta talk about, oh yeah, this and that, man. Fuck all y'all motherfuckers, man. That shit get on my motherfucking nerve, huh? You understand that shit? Like you done told your business to these other there. Fuck these people, man. Give a fuck, bruh. Y'all motherfuckers keep fucking call me. Don't nobody fucking call me. Don't nobody fucking call me. Don't fucking call motherfuckers. Y'all seen I've been over here good. Y'all seen I've been over here motherfucking minding my motherfucking business. Y'all seen that shit, bitch. Stevie, you wanna motherfucking text me about some shit? I don't know what the fuck this bitch know about you. Nigga, I don't give a fuck what she know about you. Nigga gonna tell me he put me on the show. Nigga, you ain't put me on no motherfucking show. Nigga, that y'all paid me to be on the motherfucking show, bitch. I wouldn't have been on your show for free, nigga. I wouldn't have been on your motherfucking show for free. Keep it 100, nigga. I've never been on your motherfucking show for free, bitch. I don't party with you motherfuckers. I'm not one of you motherfuckers. I'm not one of you bitch-ass motherfuckers. I don't play like you motherfuckers, bitch. I don't play like you punk-ass motherfuckers. You understand what I'm saying, bitch? Fuck you mean, bitch? I'll never sell my soul, bitch. I'll never sell my motherfucking soul for this shit, bitch. I get money, bitch. I'll motherfucking rob your whole corporation, bitch. I've been getting money, bitch. I never sell my motherfucking soul for no motherfucking TV shit, bitch. Never in a motherfucking million years, nigga. I had a praying grandmother, bitch. And this ain't no soldier boy, bitch. This real life shit. All y'all motherfuckers sold y'all soul, bitch. All y'all motherfuckers, bitch. You been away from your motherfucking... Don't come to me with no bullshit, man. Cause I'll lay down the real shit. Little dumb motherfuckers. Don't fucking play with me, man. I'm not on that. Leave me the fuck alone, bitch. This bitch come over here and give me some motherfucking wine and all this shit, talk all this shit about all these niggas. I don't know about none of this motherfucking shit, man. I don't know about this shit. Understand what I'm saying? I'm trying to be in my positive motherfucking space, bitch. Don't come to my motherfucking life with that shit, home. I got my motherfucking children back in my motherfucking house. It's school tomorrow, bitch. Don't fucking play with me. And fuck all you motherfuckers with an opinion. Understand what I'm saying? Fuck all you motherfuckers with an opinion, bitch. Y'all motherfuckers don't know me. Y'all don't know me. Y'all don't know what the fuck I've been through, bitch. Fuck you, Ernest. I ain't getting no motherfucking lie, bitch. Y'all loudly want to motherfucking attack my motherfucking ass. I ain't getting no shit. Fuck you mean, bruh? Nah, bitch, you ain't sorry. You ain't motherfucking sorry, bitch. You brought all this shit to my motherfucking life, bitch. You ain't sorry. You ain't fucking sorry, Mary Jane. You ain't fucking sorry. You don't get no fuck. Yeah, why? That ain't even no motherfucking single. That was a motherfucking freestyle. Yeah, I understand that. You understand this shit brought all this fucking complications to my motherfucking life, bitch.
I brought the complication. I didn't spoke.
Got him out. Look what the
But
fuck.
I'm not my motherfucking friend, so I'm sitting here because I hear her. I understand her, and I'm gonna sit here and
I
I'm
don't got shit to do with you, with
I know
Stevie,
what
with
you feel.
Shaq, with none of them motherfuckers,
And I'm
man.
gonna sit here and listen to my friend because that's what friends do, bitch. I understand what she's going through. I get it, and I'm gonna sit right here. Like, bitch, and y'all come for me, bitch. Stevie, you come for me, bitch. And her name's Alexis. And you might not want to do that. Because right now she bitten because she mad. But, bitch, this my real motherfucking friend. And guess what? I know she fuck with me, and I fuck with her. Period. And I came here to celebrate her motherfucking single. So, bitch, if you want a motherfucking show, then y'all bitch better invest in it. But guess what? This my motherfucking dog right here, bitch. Fuck what y'all talking about. This my friend. She can cuss me out all day. I did bring wine over to her house. I sure did. But, bitch, I left the church and brought wine over here to her house because I'm celebrating my friend's success. I didn't come here to have Steve texting her talking about don't put my daughter involved. Nigga, fuck you, nigga. And this Mary J, bitch. And I got brothers that'll body your motherfucking ass. Call Tommy phone right now because we talking real shit. Fuck you, Stevie, while you texting my friend talking about get your friend and all that. Bitch, fuck you, nigga. I'll fuck you with a dildo, nigga. I started it. Okay, I started it.
The shit that you got going on.
Yeah, fuck that nigga. Fuck that nigga texting you that stupid shit. Don't be talking about my daughter and all that. Nigga, don't talk about your daughter, bitch. We talking about your baby mother. You had a daughter with a bitch named Jocelyn that was a hoe.
I don't play with motherfuckers' kids, because if a motherfuckers play with mine, it's lights out. I don't play with people's kids.
And guess what?
If a motherfucker play with my kids,
And
it's
guess
lights
what?
motherfucking out.
And guess what? I'm a single mother of 3 little boys.
A motherfucker that I can get my hands on, it's lights out if they play with my kids.
And guess what?
So one thing for the record, I don't play with people's kids.
Exactly. Tommy didn't play with your kids, Stevie. So let me clear that up. And Jocelyn, if y'all both online right now, Tommy didn't play with y'all kids. Bitch, I did. You know why? Because you put my motherfucking friend in jail. And she got 2 teenage daughters, beautiful daughters that's smart, on the road students.
I got one teenage daughter, she just turned 13.
Well, your other daughter is younger than that. They still young ladies. And they would know if their mother went to jail. And bitch, you put my motherfucking friend in jail. So guess what? I give a fuck about you. How about that? Yeah, I'ma say it. Bitch, I don't give a fuck about none of that. Jocelyn, you put my friend in jail over some dumb shit.
I'm in a bad space, man.
Like, you put my friend in jail. You put my friend in jail and she got 2 young daughters.
Went so far, man. Yo, I'm in a bad space, man. Everything has went so far, bro. Everything's went too far, Mickey. I'm in a bad space. You gotta deal with this.
Fuck Stevie and Jocelyn, bitch. Don't you ever text my friend. Bitch, my friend went to jail. My friend went to jail and she got 2 daughters. She got 2 daughters. So what make your motherfucking daughter fucking...
You arguing with a screen,
daughter,
man.
your motherfucking queen, bitch.
You arguing with a screen,
Fuck
man.
that. Fat ass nigga. Fuck that nigga, man. I'm done. I'm gonna leave. If I'm the problem...